Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 9 Coulson Street in Wilson. This cute character cottage is located in a street with underground power that gives you that leafy feel. Plus, there's brand new builds all around, and any time a vacant land comes on sale, that's snapped up quickly as well. So don't miss this opportunity to have your well-located home only 5 minutes from the prestigious Curtin University. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of 9 Coulson Street in Wilson. As you can see, the home has all the character of timber floors and high ceilings. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.